Alright, so I know there's been some confusion with how many things are going on, so trying to make a simple video of just what needed to be done during the first day of class. So again, I'm going to use one class as a video for all. They all should be pretty much the same. So you might be in a phys ed class instead of a health, might be 6th instead of 7th, but it should all be the same. So if you click on your Schoology course, you went to the to-do folder, introduction to the course, course expectations. All you simply had to do was click on classroom expectations. Next to assignment it says my document, where mine says in progress. If you open this up, it opens up a Google Doc of your classroom expectations. As long as you read these with your guardians, if you come back to Schoology and the course expectations, what you need to do was click on these classroom expectations. Yours will look like this when you open it. You'll start an attempt and simply click yes that you and your guardian have read those expectations. The last thing required for day number 1, or the first class, was to come down here to where there was question for the teacher, click on the question and write a question. And remember, I'm even going to add it to the directions after this video, that even if you don't have a question, write I do not, or I don't have a question at this time, just so I understand that you know how to use a discussion post. So keeping that as short and as simple as possible, that is all you had to do for the first day of class in terms of things that are graded for health.